मजा नहीं यो
Hi. KGP. This is IIT KGP. Right. So, we students of IIT Kharagpur are giving tempo shout at the top of Eiffel Tower for date 19th June. The time is 10:30 at night. 10:30 p.m.
See that dangling light? Yes, it's 200 meters high.
Well, that is very high, and you can see the city of Paris from the top.
If we fall from the top of the star, we are going to die. That's it.
So the tower.
And that's
This is the top. This is the top. Yo! Chalo. Great.